Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you guys how to create a local school search custom page. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is log into our command platform. From there, we want to navigate to our website's applet. You can find that on the left-hand side by hovering over those icons. You can also hit the red and white KW to expand that menu bar. Again, we want to head to websites. Go ahead and close that. From here, we want to head into settings and we want to hit that edit my website. This will bring you into expert mode where you can make additional enhancements to your KW website. And for today's custom page that we want to create, we're going to hang out in this quick start section and we're actually going to use the custom page option. Okay, so we're going to click on that template. And from here, let's go ahead and just name this school search. This is going to be our page title. You can name this whatever if you want to make it more localized. We can add a description if we want to. I'm not going to, but I'm going to show you where that will display right below the school search. We can add an image. So if you have a local image that you'd like to add behind there, you can certainly do that as well. In fact, let's go ahead and just take a look at that really quick. Let's do Boston for today. Let's see if we can find a nice Boston photo. Let's go ahead and use this one. We're going to download and see if we can get this added. So upload, choose file. Let's go ahead and add that one here. We're going to upload. It should add that behind our school search wording. There you go. And if we move down, we're going to add our page contents now. So we're going to use the add module. And from here, we're going to come all the way down until we find the list of modules. And we're going to use this HTML embed. So we're going to click on that. Now from here, we're going to create our actual content that's going to go in that module. Okay, so we're going to hit this little drop down and do create new. And now we need to, can't type today. Now we need to find our HTML that we need to use, okay? So for that, we're going to go over to our school search or our school widget, and we'll drop this in the comment section for you below. But we're going to come down to the school data widget. And from here, we're going to enter the location. We're going to change our size. We're going to use a custom size of 800 by 800. We find that works the best. You can change your background or border. So decide which color you'd like. Let's go with black for this one. And then we're going to generate our code. Now to make sure your code is updated, you should see your city and state within that code so that you know it is the correct one. We're going to go ahead and highlight and copy that entire code. And we're going to come back into our school search module, okay? And now we're going to paste that HTML iframe, okay? And you can see we have the preview now. It's left aligned. We want to actually center that. So we're going to use the greater than, less than with center in between. So this little section right here. And that's going to move our school search to the center of our module, okay? Now, once we have that, that's all we need for this. We're going to go ahead and hit publish. And we should get a published banner right here on the left-hand side. And then we're going to go back. Now we need to actually pull that module into our custom page, okay? So we're going to hit this drop down again. And now we're going to see that we have that school search at the very top, okay? So that's our newest one. We're going to go ahead and click that. That's going to add that school search to our page. Now this school search is interactive. That map can be searched. They can move it, find different areas. They can also view the list or search for schools. So just because you set it to Boston or wherever, they can still search any specific area and really take advantage of that. Now, the last thing we're going to do on this specific page is we're going to add a contact form at the bottom of our school search. So I'm going to do add module one more time. We're going to scroll down to our list and we're going to go ahead and hit form. And once we do that, we still need to pull in the content that we need for that form. So we're going to click that drop down, and you should see a default agent contact title. These are the same. It's going to pull the information from your marketing profile. So you should have a contact form that looks just like this. Now, this contact form can't be edited or customized. However, if you need to update any of your personal information over here on the right, including your photo, social links, etc., that can all be edited within your marketing profile of Command. Okay? Now, once we are done, we have this school search exactly how we want it. We can go ahead and hit that publish button. Once we hit that publish button, we'll get that green banner again that says our page was published. And this school search should then appear under the drop down under more on your KW website within about 30 minutes. That is our tip video for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team at support@scottlorenmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.